Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that Siri is not talking and working in their iPhone. So in the short video today, I'm going to tell you how you can fix this problem in your iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first open the settings. Now go down to Siri and tap on it. Then tap on talk to Siri. Here you have to select off. After that, go back to the home screen and reboot your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So let's do it now. So guys, after rebooting the iPhone, go back to the settings application, swipe down and tap Siri. Then tap on talk to Siri. Now select Siri or Hi Siri and set up your Siri again. So guys, after setup, now go back to the previous menu, swipe down and tap Siri responses. Here select prefer spoken responses. After that, go to back menu and tap voice. Here select American or British, then select the voice. That's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.